Hi guys, it's PJ here, and today I have got a Joom haul. So as you guys probably remember, when I used to make more regular videos, I was shopping on Joom a lot, and I got a good stash of stuff underneath my desk, and then I got very ill, and then I had my baby, and then I've moved, so I haven't been able to go through all of my Joom packages. Some of these are over a year old. There's quite a few in here, so I thought I may as well get through some of the packages. I've still got wish packages as well in another bag that are from when I very first started doing my hauls and stuff. So, oh, pardon me, sorry, I've just drank a lot of that. So yeah, so today I thought we will just do a couple of Joom packages. I cannot really remember what's in the packages because these were ordered a long time ago and I've ordered plenty of things since, so I'm just getting some out of the bag so that 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, we'll do 6, I think. Yeah, we'll do 6. We'll do 6. That's a nice number, and it shouldn't make the video too long. So anyway, so how are you all, you guys? Where are you all shopping? Have you bought anything interesting? Anything you'd like me to try out? Anyway, let's get into this. That's just Barnaby sneezing. So our first thing is, oh, I remember ordering this. I ordered this whilst I was pregnant, actually. Is a sports bra. I got it in black, and it's got these, I love these straps. These straps are nice thick straps, and they say love, flirt and peace on them. It has got slight cushioning in, not cushioning, padding in the bra itself. And these just come along the back like that. And I thought that would be really comfortable whilst I was pregnant, and then for afterwards whilst I was... Do you know what? I've just noticed this pad here is not 2 separate ones. It's actually joined in the middle. So that's quite good, because sometimes you have one that decides to go flopping off in a different direction. So I will leave a picture on my Instagram of me wearing that. So for those of you that do follow me on Instagram, you'll see a lot of the things that I purchased uploaded. Those of you that don't, it's at the Ultimate PJ. Yeah. Our next thing is, oh, I ordered this for my partner. It's a necklace. I've ordered a lot of necklaces like this, as you guys may well remember, and we don't wear them. We had them on display, but since moving I haven't got the display that I used to have. I'm still in the midst of sorting out my flat, even though I've been here a year. So anyway, so the next thing that we have got is this from Joom? This has got to be, yeah, no, it is from Joom. It just says makeup. A lot of my stuff was makeup though. From the looks of it, it's Jeffree Star. So let's open this up. It's a Dragon Star Velour Liquid Lipstick in, I don't know what colour it's like a nudie colour. Okay, let's put this on then. It can't be as atrocious as one of the lipsticks I just tried out in a different video. So let's just give it a little shake. So this is meant to be a Velour Liquid Lipstick. I don't know what that means. So the doe foot is quite alright. A little bend, not a little bend, a little slant in the doe foot at the top. Oh, this smells so nice. Oh, it's like those refreshers. Careful with that, please, Barney. Ooh. So, let's put another coat of that on. That's dried very, very quickly. Ah, oh, that smell is just amazing. Probably would need a lip liner with this, but me and lip liner are just not very good with it. Oh, I really like that. I think the colour's quite nice. The texture's nice. The more it dries, the less your lips stick together. They do stick together a little bit, but some make your lips feel like that they've actually like put PVA glue in them or something. And yeah, do you want some? Ah, ooh. I didn't put it on him. I pretended I went like that. So yeah, it doesn't. Now, as I've said that, I do actually feel like that my lips are actually sticking together a little bit more. If you remember the, do you remember some people got the Kylie Jenner ones and the fake up ones, and they put them on their lips and their lips literally stuck together like... Actually, it's not too bad. So anyway, we'll move on from that. Yeah, are you opening packages too? He's just here, guys. He's here. Say hi. So our next package, oh god, I've got to try and get the camera back, is, oh gosh, I remember I had quite a few of these and I was so disappointed in them. I was going to make phone cases with them and put these on phone cases. It's a little seal look, and it's a little squidgy kind of thing. Oh, it's just awful. The feel of them was horrible. Some of the other ones that I had were falling apart really easily, and I did that and they'd all crack. I remember somebody did actually ask me for some of these. So if you're watching, I can't remember who it was because it was a while ago. So yeah, so drop me a comment and or follow me on one of my social medias and DM me, and I will send you, I think I've got about 4 or 5 of these. So yes, I will send you those. I can't remember who it was. Sorry about that, but yeah. 1, 2. How many packages have I opened? I don't know. It doesn't matter. Okay, so our next package says health and beauty products. It's O20 custom enhancer drops. These. I've got quite a few things like this actually. Directions to customize your finish, shake well and add desired amount of drops to any product, mix well and apply. Okay, so you get 15 ml in this. I've got some of these that are primers. I've got some of these that are like elixirs and 24 karat gold serums and stuff. So let's have a look at this one. Comes in a nice shiny bottle like that. Ooh, it looks really glittery at the bottom there, look. Shush. Josh, they won't be able to hear me over you. So it comes with a Doppler. This is quite thick, look. And it is a bit glittery. It says Halo on it. Halo, is that the colour? Halo? But it doesn't say. Yeah, it says A1 Halo. But it doesn't say that this is like a liquid highlighter or anything like. Yeah, is that your milk? A liquid highlighter or anything like that. So let me just give it another shake because it was quite thick. I can't even get any F in the Doppler. Oh, this is real thick. Let's just put it on my hand and see. Do you know what? I think this has got to be a highlighter because that's it there. This has got to be a liquid highlighter because, oh wow, just look at that. So yeah, this isn't one of those primers or elixir things that I thought. This is a liquid highlighter. Very, very glittery. You can see the glitter pigment in that. I don't really know if you're going to pick it up as much as I can see because obviously I've got real crap lighting and stuff at the minute. My hand is literally glittering. Okay. So that's not what I thought it was. It might have been when I bought it, but this is a long time now. Okay, so I'm going to have to make the next one that I open, the last one that I open for now, because I have a noisy little boy next to me. Okay, so in this one, it is obviously my old address on it. You don't want to see my old address. What's it say it is? Phone case. Guys. There's a thank you card. Barney. There's a thank you card and a piece of polystyrene. But no phone case. Wow. That was a disappointment, wasn't it? I think we're just going to open one more because that was meant to be a phone case and it ended up being a piece of polystyrene. Okay, so what's the next thing I have? It is a Pokemon ring holder, phone ring holder thing. I've had a couple of these and my partner really likes them. We're both into Pokemon. He is more into Pokemon than me. Alright. But yeah, that was alright. Alright. He's got one on his phone that he uses. He's fine with it. That's probably just going to go in a giveaway. So I'm going to have to go because little man is being more and more noisy and filming is getting a little bit hard with him. Thank you for watching if you have stayed till the end. If not, then whatever. If you'd like to leave a comment, subscribe, share. Tell me things that you'd like me to buy and try out. Just have a general chit chat with me. Go follow me on all my social medias. And I shall catch you guys very soon. Much love to you all and keep safe. Bye.